Welcome to our comparison of the Instant Pot Duo and the Ninja Air Fryer Pro. Today, we will dive into the features and benefits of each appliance, discussing their unique functionalities, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're looking for a versatile multi-cooker or a specialized air fryer, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The Instant Pot Duo offers 7 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, and yogurt making it a versatile choice for various recipes. In contrast, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro focuses on 4 primary functions: air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating. While the Instant Pot provides more cooking options, the Ninja excels in delivering crispy results with less oil. Both appliances are designed for quick cooking, but they achieve this in different ways. The Instant Pot Duo uses pressure cooking to significantly reduce cooking times, while the Ninja Air Fryer Pro utilizes superheated air to achieve crispy results in just minutes. Depending on your cooking needs, either appliance can save you valuable time in the kitchen. Cleaning is a crucial factor when choosing kitchen appliances. The Instant Pot Duo features a stainless steel interior that is easy to wipe down, while the Ninja Air Fryer Pro comes with a non-stick basket and crisper plate, making it simple to clean after use. Both appliances are designed with user-friendly maintenance in mind, ensuring you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. In conclusion, both the Instant Pot Duo and Ninja Air Fryer Pro offer unique advantages depending on your cooking styles. If you need a versatile multi-cooker, the Instant Pot is an excellent choice. However, if you prioritize crispy, healthier meals, the Ninja Air Fryer is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.